Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the saved posts on the Instagram application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the profile section and new, tap to the three lines at the upper right corner of the screen. And this list you can find the saved option under the QR code button. And here you can find your saved posts. And you can check this, for example, this video or different saved items. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.